Hi there, students. Esculent. Esculent, an adjective. Okay, if we describe something as esculent, it's edible, it's suitable for eating, or it's safe to eat. So it can sometimes be very difficult to know which mushrooms are esculent and which are not. So this is just a really posh word, a really formal word for edible. Okay, so for example, a globe artichoke, only a very small proportion of our globe artichoke is esculent, is edible. Yeah, it's something that can be eaten, especially a plant. So tropical esculents grow in this region. An esculent, an edible. I've used it there as a noun. The esculent part of a crab is inside the shell. The shell itself is not esculent. Okay, an esculent as a noun, something edible, but particularly a vegetable. Okay, so an esculent or esculent, suitable for eating, edible. Yeah, it's something that you can eat, and the opposite would be inesculent. So stones are inesculent, whereas cherries are very esculent. They are delicious, and the stones are esculent for various other animals as well. Okay, so esculent, to eat. Yeah, edible, something that it is possible to eat. Okay, so I want to know which are the most esculent of these flowers. It's quite interesting. A lot of flowers are in fact esculent, but you need to know which are possible to eat. For example, the flower of a begonia, it tastes very acid. It's certainly very esculent and very tasty. It's quite acid tasting, maybe like a citrus. Okay, so something that is esculent is something that is suitable to eat, something that it's okay to eat. Okay, so esculent. This comes from Latin esculens, meaning fit for eating, eatable. And formality, well, this is quite a formal word. I think many people are not going to know this word, esculent. Formality. I think I'm going to give esculent a 7.5, maybe even an 8. 7.5 to 8 in formality. Esculent, edible, something that you can eat. Chomp, chomp, chomp. Yeah? Okay, so esculent. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Esculent.